So in this video I have two things for you, one free hosting and another is free domain. In previous video I have shown you free hosting and free domain, but the free nom has some issue with it, so I have a new free domain site. So you can move to the free domain site names.co.uk. So I'll provide these links to you in below description. Here you can take the .uk.co.uk, these two domain free over here, and .com in only 1.99, that is dollar. So you can look this is my domain, this is 12 month, and this is the, so you can choose any cloud hosting plan over here. I'm selecting the chocolate over here, and it's 0.0 price and it's for 12 month free. So do not register in one of these. So with $0.0, just click on the continue option. Here you should fill the form of your permanent address. So you can look over here, company. I have no company, so it's still our first name. So I'm filling up this form over here. It is done with it. So I'm not robot. Click on continue button. So you should create a password over here. Selecting the password. Your password has been successfully reset. Now you can look. This is my interference and this is free. You can look the hosted domain, registered domain, SSL certificate, and you can have this much things over here. So this is 100% free for 12 months. This is the free hosting, and from here you can took the free domain over here. For domain, now we will click on this link. I'll provide this link to you in the description below. When you click in this links, you will appear up this thing. So this is the home page of this site. So when you scroll down, you can clearly see that .uk is free and .ou.uk it's free. .co.uk and UK. It also offers some SSL certificate for free. So you have to check the regular for this site. So you can go and get .com also free. They will provide you a offer sometime. So for this domain, we should move on there, this tab, and you will type your domain name. So I'm keeping my domain name as T-Lover Official. I'm searching the domain. After searching the domain, you'll be redirected to the area. So I'm rejecting this basket over here, tloverofficial.com, because I do not need any .com domain. You can look over here, tloverofficial.uk and tloverofficial.co.uk. These two domain are available for free. So I'm adding this thing over here, and I don't need this thing, so I'm deselecting this item. So we'll proceed to the basket. From here we have only one domain, we don't need web hosting, so we are not selecting this any item. We'll skip this part and we'll click on the proceed to basket. When you click on the proceed to basket, one interference will come. Okay, here you can look there $5.99, $3.49, but here you can look an option to cross this option. So you will click on this item and you will click on this item. Okay, this is the site over here and it's 1 year free. You can clearly see there. So create account over here, and it will ask you to fill some main method over there. Although it is free, it will ask to add your Visa or credit card. If you have your own credit card, use that credit or Visa card. If you do not have, then you can simply go to the random BCC generator. I'll provide this link over YouTube there, and you can create any card over here. If you go for Visa card, select any Visa card. Country, I'm selecting for Australia. select your bank over here, Bank of Western Australia, generate. Okay, result. Oh, now you can see this, the bank detail, and this bank detail are, you can copy this detail and paste in the that domain area, so you can get these things free. Thanks for watching.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding. Stop, 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 stop. Woo. Woo. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Woo. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop.